Welcome back to another video from Lord Gizmo. Today we're covering some amazing road construction machines you've never seen before. So enjoy the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe, share, and like this video. Screed processing machines are getting popular as they can profile all kinds of surfaces such as mixed granulate, road sand, fill sand, and crusher sand. You can easily drag a screed bucket with a Nimatech 250, shovel or mobile crane. This machine can also be set for different working widths, from 0.5 meters to 7.5 meters. Due to the weight of the screed tray, the substrate is well compacted. No doubt, these screed machines represent a remarkable breakthrough in the construction industry. After screeding a street, concrete bricks are laid and paved. These concrete blocks are commonly known as tough tiles, used all over the world for many reasons. For example, each concrete block can absorb rainwater very quickly, and due to their rough surface, nobody could slip easily. Moreover, if the need arises, the tiles can be removed and reused. Nimatech has made a standalone vacuum unit that can be mounted with a crane, shovel, forklift, or loader crane. These units are available with a fuel engine, electric motor, or by means of hydraulics. It consists of a frame in which a vacuum pump, vacuum filter, and vacuum supply are built together with a fuel or electric motor. All units work on the high vacuum technique. The unit has a lifting point at the top and a suspension point at the bottom. A spoon stick frame is available for this unit for the use of spoons. It has an easy electric start with a push button and operates with remote control. The Soukkio Polannelana 3700 is a hydraulically swiveling front blade. It is 9.1 meters long, 2.65 meters wide, and it comes with a weight of 3,700 kilograms. This device perfectly works whether it has to run on a hard surface gravel or crushed roads or fields. Any tractor with a capacity of 140 horsepower can be attached. The hydraulic adjustability for front end height, front blade angle, rear end height, and tilt altitude makes this monster unquestionably ideal for diverse applications. In short, this versatile hydraulic piece is an engineering marvel. This machine is designed to pull and hold off the shelf asphalt finishers and concrete slipform pavers for working safely on slopes, including a high volume feeding system and a material transfer vehicle, provided to build asphalt and concrete face rock fill dams. For working safely on slopes with off-the-shelf asphalt finishers, rock rollers or concrete slipform pavers, feeding can be done by chute, excavator, or telebelt. This economical winch carriage with diesel-electric hydraulic drive concept works safely on slopes with working platforms, particularly suitable for rehabilitation projects and reworks. highways remain perpetually busy. That's why their maintenance and construction responsibilities are only given to those who can deliver as soon as possible. Strabag is one such construction company, renowned for beating the deadlines, and their secret is these powerful machines. This clip shows how a new road from the screeding process to asphalt pavement is made, all by just using these machines. Offset pavers produce monolithic concrete profiles such as protective concrete walls, curb profiles, gutters, or narrow paths. These pavers cost-effectively make concrete pavements, such as for motorways, arterial roads, runways, or railway lines. With slipform pavers, the concrete is transported into the offset mold via a loading conveyor or a conveyor auger. Several molds in a wide range of different shapes and sizes are available for individual applications. Machine features include a top-quality machine control system, a practical steering and drive system, and string line-free concrete paving. The GOMACO 3300 features a symmetrical design for right side and left side slipforming. The unique frame design, multiple smart sensors, and GOMACO's control system allows the 3300 to automatically slipform a tight radius with ease. You can slide from the right side to the left, depending on which side the mold is mounted. This machine offers multiple applications such as curb and gutter, safety barrier, sidewalk, and undermounted slipform paving. The Hofman's H33-4 is a robust, highly effective 7-ton construction machine with hydraulically switchable speed ranges combined with a high-speed hydraulic motor. It is built for marking roads and offers 10 to 100 centimeter line width. The operator can modify operating and supervising instruments according to his requirements. It has a highly adjustable extractable spray gun support for the center and edge line markings. The motor compartment is easily accessible for service work. Its high ground clearance also eases service work from below. Hey guys, thanks for watching our video. What did you think of these technologies? Let us know down in the comments below. If you enjoyed, please leave a like and subscribe to our channel. Make sure to hit that notification bell to get notified when we release new content.